we're at the train station because you know we're going to Kerala Backwaters, and we've just bumped into this amazing entrepreneur. So I'm going to hand you over.
Midhun Lal from GROUTE Green Enterprises from Kerala, India, and I'm promoting substitutes for plastic. I have 3 range of solutions: premium, affordable, and low budget. And right now I'm having this PLA coated paper cups. Currently the paper cups are plastic coated, and here I have PLA coating. This is PLA, it's polylactic acid. It's a biopolymer, and this is 200 ml container with lids. And industrial products are sugarcane bagasse. Sugarcane bagasse is a byproduct from sugar industry. And this is vegetable starch based cups, bowls for use for ice creams. And I have arecanut spoons.
Honestly guys, this bloke's he's got it sorted out.
Excuse me. Ice cream scoop. This is standard ice cream scoop size, 4-inch round bowl.
So basically what that young man is saying is that he's just started his own business. He's trying to make India green, plastic free. Now, if I'm honest, India isn't the worst country in Asia for plastic, because when we go shopping, we don't get plastic bags, we get cotton bags. So to have the conversation with this young man, we can't back him enough. For a young man that age to have the initiative and go and promote something as simple as this, what a difference it makes. A cigarette butt lasts 300 years. So can you imagine what a plastic spoon would last? This bad boy is coming on our journey the whole way across India again now, and we will shout his name from the rooftop. So the link that we've dropped below, click on it, just educate yourself, have a little look. We're going to really help him, aren't we?
Oh hell yeah, we're going to push it. He's only been going a month, he's a young lad, he's got passion for it, so let's support him.
Yeah.